If you've ever wanted to own an electric vehicle that looks like a piece of art or has a luxurious interior, then the Lucid Group is for you. Strong brands allow customers to identify items from their rivals in the marketing world. Customer loyalty and trust are fostered by brands, which in turn encourage customers to spend more for their product. Lucid Motors understands that having a great brand is ultimately what separates winners from losers. For these reasons, Lucid Motors will be the premium electric vehicle brand of choice. In today's video, we will talk about Lucid's journey from Atieva and the future prospects of the company, the start of an era where they will nurture record-breaking results. So, grab a bag of your favorite munchies and let's get this party started. Welcome back to NewVehicleMedia, your go-to channel for EV stock. Quick reminder that subscribing's free and liking the video helps YouTube suggest similar content. Comments are loved and featured in our upcoming videos. After completing its first quarter as a public company, Lucid Group is on its approach to capturing the top place in the developing luxury electric vehicle industry. The firm's stock price is soaring, and customer deliveries are beginning as it strives to become the market leader. Since its inception as Atieva in 2007, the firm has progressed significantly. After moving its emphasis away from EV battery and powertrain manufacturing and towards the production of a line of luxury automobiles, the firm went public in July after its merger with Churchill Capital 4 Corp., which was one of the most eagerly awaited EV SPAC transactions of the year. The company's stock has more than doubled in value over the last calendar month, rising from roughly $27 per share on October 27th to $50.52 per share, trading on November 19th. End of October saw the start of the deliveries of the $169,000 Air Dream Edition sedan to more than 24 customers, which may account for the recent rise in LCID. Recently, the car maker stated that the Air model has the greatest EPA-certified range of any electric vehicle on the market at more than 520 miles. In the third quarter, the business reported a rise in client reservations to 13,000, which translates to sales of almost $1.3 billion. Since the end of the quarter, bookings have increased to more than 17,000. Peter Rawlinson told investors that the majority of bookings are being made by customers in the United States, with Saudi Arabia in second place by reservation order. Stakes in the corporation have grown significantly as a result of major financial investments from Saudi Arabia's National Wealth Fund, which remains the company's biggest single shareholder. The CEO expressed confidence in the company's ability to reach its manufacturing capacity of 20,000 automobiles next year. More than 500,000 units by the end of the decade is Lucid's longer-term objective. But first and foremost, the business intends to deliver 520 Dream Editions to consumers in the first rollout, followed by the Grand Touring, and Air Pure, the entry-level model, which starts at roughly $77,000 next year and go up from there. Lucid aims to expand its production site in Casa Grande, Arizona by around 2.85 million square feet, where the sedans are manufactured. The plan would ultimately be capable of producing up to 90,000 cars per year by the end of 2023, including the enigmatic Project Gravity SUV. During the investor call, officials affirmed that Gravity would begin production in late 2023. Rawlinson assured that the SUV would be equally as revolutionary in the SUV area as the Air is on its own. From a business perspective, the firm has $4.8 billion in cash on hand, which includes $4.4 billion from the SPAC purchase, plus cash that was on its balance sheet when it was completed. Although the cost of manufacture is included in this quarter report, CFO Sherry House said that the income generated from car sales would not be recognized in financial statements until next quarter, since customer deliveries began on October 30th. In addition, the Lucid Air has been named Motor Trend's Car of the Year for 2022. The fact that a new brand and a new company have been awarded that moniker indicates that the company is serious about its future prospects. There are 3 analysts that are forecasting Lucid Group Inc. stock for the next 12 months, and the median target price for the stock is $57. The highest price target is $60, while the lowest price goal is $16. It's estimated that the median price will grow by 21.15% from the previous price of $47.05. Investment analysts that were surveyed have reached a consensus on buying Lucid Group Inc. shares at the present price. Despite the fact that it has been unaltered since September, this rating has remained a buy. Because the firm has just recently begun manufacturing and delivering cars, its detractors claim that $84 billion market capitalization is too expensive. However, Lucid deserves praise for maintaining its aims and ambitions while also delivering on the promised target date. Delivery of an electric car in the United States is a minor milestone, but long-term investors gain trust in a company's ability to meet its promises when it delivers on its commitments. Lucid is an excellent example of how to distinguish between a company's success and the fluctuation of its stock price. While the stock price has been all over the place, reaching highs of $64 and lows of $9, the firm itself has been a model of stability and reliability. In order to reflect this, Lucid Motors required a partner that could assist them in developing an online footprint. It was critical for the launch of their first automobile model that they establish a strong web presence in order to go to market and begin taking pre-orders from customers. Lucid's in-house development team worked together to build a site that was packed with spectacular motion graphics to elevate the user interface design to the next level and ensure that all assets and materials were used to their utmost potential. Despite the fact that the firm underwent a rebranding in 2016, it has only been a few months since this stock has gained attention. The company's development has been promising on all fronts, beginning with the achievement of Environmental Protection Agency ratings and progressing to the delivery of its first automobile, the Lucid Air model. The company has checked off all of the boxes in 2021 and is closing up the year on a good note. While 2022 is also full of promises to entice investors, it'll be another important test for corporations to deliver on their commitments in order to remain competitive. In a short period of time, Lucid has shown what a well-managed firm can do, while also increasing the standard for itself and other EV rivals. Over time, long-term investors seek for firms with strong management teams, and Lucid has all the characteristics to fall into this category. However, much needs to be revealed in the near future, and this will determine the trajectory of the stock's and company's journey. I'm curious to hear what you have to say. Do you believe that Lucid management and partners hold the key to the company's better future? What do you believe will happen in the next decade with LCID compared to what Tesla achieved? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment down below. David Holder believes that Tesla has to address their quality concerns before it can be concerned about a slight gain in battery technological advancement. Despite the fact that they've been the sole EV manufacturer for quite some time, this is changing rapidly, and customers are increasingly looking for quality. That should wrap things up for today. Keep in mind that subscribing is still free, and liking helps YouTube recognize your preferences. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.